Hey guys, how's it going? I figured I'd start off with the waterfall. For those who haven't seen it, I made this year and it goes out into this. Yeah, so basically it's a 2 to 5,000 SLD aquascape pump, and it's going up into a horse trough with an aqua block, and I got some plants in there and just pounding away. So here, there's my decoy for the heron, but the heron hasn't been back. Oh, look, see, here are friends. And they're all here. Yeah, so I was about to feed these guys, so why don't we feed them? All right, and she's still clear. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh, look at them go. Oh, it's so fun. I'm so happy. Like, all last year I could see them just like this. And it's just nice that it's like back there. Oh, there's a couple. I see one new guy. There he is, the little blue guy. He's so small. That one paid $55 Canadian. But pretty fish. So what? Yeah, none of my water lilies are blooming. Just the tropical one's still going. Look at it. Oh yeah. Yeah. It's still going. These guys. Well, there is the white guy here. Wants to open, but this hasn't. Yeah. I always love coming in here. Let's see if we can see any frogs. No frogs. Oh, look at this elephant here. These guys here. Oh, it's huge. It's a different view. Take a look. Oh, it's so nice. And they're actually like darker in real life than what it is on here. Yeah, super clear. Look at them go. Yeah. Oh, I'm so happy. I think I'm going to be going in again. See, that's the thing. In previous years, my kids have been going in it. It's been slowly declining, and this year is like non-existent. Like, my daughter went in early, and then I added all these water lilies with dirt in them, and that was like the end. It just like murked it up. Like you can basically see the bottom. If it was sunny, I guarantee you I could see the bottom. There's just the shade right now. And the water lilies look great. Just not blooming. It's too cold. It was +7 Celsius this morning. That's chilly. And here's a lotus that I bought. So we'll see if it survives. We're at the bottom of the pond there. And yeah. So what else? Well, why don't we just give them one more feed? Look at them go. The waterfall. They're so nice. It's so relaxing. And just the sound. Hey guys, so I have an idea, or this is an idea I've been talking about with some friends. So what I want to do is just have a camera videotaping these guys for like an hour or so, and we can put on repeat, and all you hear is that sweet sound of the waterfalls. And like this waterfall here, it just caps it off. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Please, please. All right, here. We're going to give them another feed. We're all done the food, basically. So these are the Aquascape pellets. Let's, oh, there's a new guy. Let's give it to them. See, they're still like, because I was in there cleaning and trying to catch the goldfish. Let them go. So they're still a little skittish. I'm hoping by next year I'll have all the goldfish out. So I'm gonna end up probably going when the pond, when they're like starting to go dormant. It's the best time. I caught so many when they were going dormant. See our brown guys here. Those two have been pals for a long time. They came from the same spot. Actually, look how pretty. Even though it's brown, look how pretty. Look at the fins on this thing. They're just so long, so long. And those are like the original. Well, I'm assuming the original kind of koi they bred like other butterfly kois with, but I could be wrong with that. Yeah. It's so nice. I love this shabunkin. I don't have too many goldfish where'd he go? Too many goldfish I'm gonna keep, but like this guy here is from a top end breeder, I think from China. I had 4 at one time, and the herring got him. But it happens. At least I still have the one, and it was actually the bully, which doesn't surprise me. Look at that. So pretty. Oh, love it. All right, folks. As I always say, please subscribe, like and subscribe. Any comments, feel free. Yeah, keep on watching. Talk about harvesting hick. Speaking of harvesting, I harvested some Asian pears, and my kids want to sell them at the end of the road, so I'm gonna go make some signs now for them. Get this going. See if they can sell some Asian pears, and I got some Gallo apples. So wish me luck. Have a good day.